Hey, Taliana. Hi, I'm talking to you. Yes, you're not imagining me. I'm here. Yes. I see that you're deep conditioning your hair. What you gonna do afterwards? You don't know? Would you like to try a flexi rod set? Have you ever done one? A flexi rod set. You have never done it? You should try a flexi rod set for your next video. You're interested? Good. Who's ready for a flexi rod set? Hi, so welcome to my channel. Um, Hello. So my hair is freshly washed, and I wash my hair in twists because my hair tangles so easy. So yes. So for this flexi rod set, I bought these flexi rods in halfway tree. So I bought 5 of these. So these were like $1,000, and 10 come in the pack, and they're like medium size. They're like this size right here. And for the products, I'm going to use my Lottobody Curl and Style Milk to moisturize my hair, and I'm going to seal it with my oil. And then I'm going to use the foaming mousse to style my hair. And don't forget clips to section off your hair, and rat tail comb to part. So my hair is in. So I'm going to separate some twists into 3, 4s, however much I want based on the section. So this is my first time doing a flexi rod set, so I'm kind of nervous, but I'm doing it on freshly washed hair again. So I watch a few techniques on YouTube, but the only difference is that when I'm smoothing my hair, I will be using my fingers. My natural texture after I finish wash, my hair feels so soft. So I'm just finger detangling my hair. Sorry if I'm not looking directly in the camera, I'm looking in the viewfinder because I don't have a mirror in front of me. So now that my hair feels smooth, I'm going to add just 1 pump of that. Okay, then seal it in with the oil. And then I think I'm going to use 1 pump of this. This is what comes out in 1 pump. Smooth this in my hair. I'm just doing a bit of finger detangling to help smooth out my hair. Seeing that I'm not going to use a brush or a comb, I'm trying to get my hair as smooth as possible. So in one video I saw them hook it, so they hook it like this. Okay, I can do this. But I can probably turn it this way. Wait. So I'm holding the hair taut. Add a bit more mousse to the end, and I'm twirling
turn it around some more. I think you guys can see that. And fold it up.
This is my hair after I finish rolling up. I know I only did like a few on camera. It's because like I was having some difficulty, so I had to like iron it out. But I'll show like a clip of somebody doing the method that I did, because what I was doing originally was not working because my ends was like freezing up. So this is like a 360 how my hair looks. So just like that. So I'm gonna come back in a few days when my hair is dry and I'll show you the results. Okay, so guys, this is the next day. So I air dried my all of last night and the entire day. So I'm just hoping and praying that it's dry. I also sat under my hooded dryer and I just hope and pray that it looks good for my birthday, because I'm gonna be depressed. So wish me luck.
While I was pulling out the flexi rod, I ensured that I twirled my ends in the direction that the curl was going, and I also add extra product to my ends to ensure it was smooth. Added oil to my fingertips to ensure that I can reduce as much frizz as possible, and I separate my hair where it naturally wanted to separate, but it didn't make any sense to even try to reduce frizz because my hair is naturally frizzy even when I use a comb and a brush. That's just my hair texture.
This is not the look that I wanted. My hair looks like a curly fro, and it's cute or whatever if I was going for a curly fro. This is why I don't go on YouTube for inspiration, because my hair not do what I want it to do. It does what it want to do. Like, I like the volume. The volume is cute or whatever. But I wasn't going for a fro. It doesn't even make any sense I do any baby hairs. My hair feels soft. That's like the only plus side. I hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to like and share this video. And I post video every Friday at 7 p.m. Have a wonderful and blessed day, guys. Bye.